Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error message on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. This is your organization manages updates on this PC. Contact your IT administrator. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing is that the possibility is that you are using a school or work account, in which case I would not proceed with this tutorial. I would contact your system administrator and follow their suggestions. I would not be doing any updates on my system if I was not the administrator or owner of that computer. So just do not follow anything else in this tutorial if you are not. And besides, it won't even work for you if you aren't. So I'm just putting that out there. So don't proceed if you're using a work or school Microsoft-based login account to access Windows. So if that is not the case, if that is not true, we're going to go ahead and move on and open up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now we're basically just going to be resetting our group policy editor back to default. There might have been a setting that was accidentally turned on or is having an issue. So go ahead and copy the first command in the description of the video and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and then paste it in, hit enter, and then you want to go down the list and then paste all of them in. I just recently cleared my group policy editor, so that's why it's not locating the first command, but do not be concerned about that. And then at the final command, we're just going to be updating the group policy editor here. And it should say it has completed successfully. Go ahead and close out of here and actually restart your computer. And hopefully at this point, you should be able to proceed with the update as intended. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.